All right, time for Case or No Case. Joining us, Cairo from GWC Injury Attorneys. And today we got a really fascinating scenario, which I think could happen to anyone. This guy kind of takes it a little too far. Anyways, Lou, what are we getting at here?
Okay.
We're going to put Felicia and Amy to the test.
All right, you girls ready?
Yep. Yes.
Okay. So the guy's on the Metro train coming downtown, and there's a derailment because the trackmen for Metro don't take care of frozen track switches like a day like today. If you get frozen track switches and you don't work on them right, you can have a derailment. So the guy really isn't hurt very bad. And he's seeing his family doctor for quite a long time, but really nothing serious. The doctor's like, yeah, it's really, we don't think it's anything at all. So he gets about a week before 1 year. Now, if you want to sue Metro, you got to sue in 1 year. It's a special statute. Normally, it's 2 years. Metro's 1 year, like Amtrak. So he goes to see a lawyer, and the lawyer's like, listen, I'm going on a 2-week vacation. As soon as I get back from my vacation, I'll take care of everything. And so he comes back from his vacation, he files a lawsuit. Well, it's filed a week after the statute.
No.
So they bring a motion to dismiss. The first question is, can this gentleman, because he didn't realize he had an injury until literally right before the statute, and his lawyer got the file, and his lawyer told him, I have a vacation coming up, I'll take care of it when I come back. Can the case get dismissed, or is there equitable fairness that will allow them to get a little extension on the statute of limitations? So case or no case?
Oh, a split decision here. Who's right?
Oh, come on. Of course, Amy's right. There's no case. There's no such thing.
Of course.
There's no such thing as fairness and equity in the law. You blow the statute, you blow the statute.
You made it sound really official. So
honey, that's my job. That's my job.
I was thinking because his doctor papers would be before that 1 year, maybe that would serve as record before the year mark.
Well,
there was some logic behind it.
There's got to be some irony to the fact that Metro wants us to be on time for filing lawsuits.
yeah.
That's all I'm going to say. All right, so let's continue this case.
So now this guy's obviously not happy, right? So what does he do? He goes to see another lawyer and say, my first lawyer screwed up. He got the case a week before the statute, and he blew it. So he wants to sue that lawyer. Well, the lawyer defends the case and says, wait a minute. You know, you came to me a week before the statute, and I told you I had a 2-week vacation. I told you I couldn't get to it for another week. So he defends the case saying, you can't sue me because I told you I couldn't get to it for a week. The question is, does he have a case against his first lawyer?
Ooh, that's
I don't know, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to have a case.
Oh, yeah, you're winning this one, Felicia. Yeah, well, because bottom line is, if you come to me and I say, listen, I will investigate everything, but I got a vacation, I got to go, I'll investigate it when I come back. And I don't look, go, holy cow, that's a 1-year statute. You only have a week. I'll have to give it to one of my associates or a partner. Say, get that complaint filed. Right, you can't come back from vacation and say, oh, shoot, I blew it.
Right.
I didn't realize this was a 1-week statute. Sorry, Joe.
Oops.
Doesn't work that way. Lawyer gets sued. Bam.
All right. And Cairo doesn't take 2-week vacations, by the way. He's on the case no matter what.
If I do, I got 100 people back at the office, and they're all working hard, so I can afford the vacation.
So he's won that case. Where are we going from here?
So, you know, lucky Tom, now he's feeling good, right? He's got this case against a lawyer, and his lawyer tells him, I think we should go after your doctor, because your doctor treated you for a year and really didn't do anything for you. And then, you know, he had a little minor nothing in one of his vertebrae was slipping forward. Then he needs a major surgery. So they get an expert that says he delayed the treatment, the proper treatment, and that delay exacerbated his condition. So he wants to sue, but hang on though, hang on.
Okay.
So he wants to sue the doctor, but the doctor's defense is, well, the derailment where you were hurt happened on X date.
Right.
You didn't file your lawsuit for 3 years almost. You know, you can't do it. You've got to be, you know, you got to do it within 2 years of the accident. So the question is, if he files a lawsuit within 2 years of the medical treatment, but not 2 years of the accident, does he have a case against the doctor for malpractice?
Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh.
Ladies, flip them the other way.
Oh, really?
We don't care when the accident happens in a medical malpractice case. The question is, when was the last time the doctor gave care that was negligent to cause an exacerbation of the condition? So if you get an accident today and you're treating for 3 years and the doctor screws up 3 years from now, the 2-year statute runs when the doctor screws up, not when you have your underlying accident.
Hey, this guy's like Meatloaf. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. He got 2 cases in there. Lou, thanks so much for stopping on by. Always a pleasure. And for more information, just head to gwclaw.com. Great stuff.